When the car leaves our outlet after the repair, it becomes as good as a factory rolled out vehicle. My name is Raja. I'm the Senior Manager of Body and Paint. We repair damaged cars. I ensure compliance and repairs on all accident cars are carried out according to Volkswagen standards. When an accident takes place, the damages that you see are basically cosmetic damages. A lot of people either they don't realize or they often overlook the internal damages of the car. Especially if the damage is severe, the frame or the structure of the vehicle may be damaged. Safety is crucial here. It needs to be realigned. We'll realign properly to bring it back to manufacturer standard. So once this is done, the car will be back to roadworthy condition and can be driven safely. We only use genuine parts. Every part that is replaced, it comes with 2-year warranty. If you send your car to us for accident repairs, the warranty of your vehicle will stay intact. Whereas if you send the car outside, so chances are high they might use either non-genuine parts or second-hand parts, which will compromise the safety of the vehicle. See, the expertise of the panel beaters are important, but they are also assisted by some state-of-the-art technology. So in order for you to carry out the repairs according to manufacturer standard, proper equipment will be required. And of course, aligning the car back, the frame in case the frame is damaged, to its original standard. Authorized dealers have all the proper equipment as well as a team of experts who will repair the vehicle. So sometimes when you send your vehicle to an outside workshop, after a couple of months, you will see a difference between the panel that has been resprayed compared to the other panels that were not touched. Because we use VW approved paint. So in this case, matching the color is not really a big challenge because we have a team of experts as well as the necessary equipment to match the color of the vehicle. We at Volkswagen would like to remind our customers to drive safely, be courteous on the road, but accidents do happen. If any accidents take place, please bring your car to us. We'll fix it up to be as good as new.
Volkswagen.